So, good morning, everyone, and welcome to today's session of Pre-Bell with William O'Neill India, dated December 27, 2023. So, before we go ahead, I would like to give a small disclaimer that registration granted by SEBI membership of Basel and certification of NISM is no way guarantee performance of the intermediary, provide any assurance of returns to investors. Investment security market subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. So without taking much time, start with Nifty's 50 chart analysis. If you look at yesterday's session, Nifty had a muted to slightly positive opening. After that, it went on to trade slightly higher, as you can see, and it's very close to the recent high that is achieved. That closed around 21,400 mark. So the last gap up that Nifty had created, the second one, is got filled up, which is a good sign. And currently the distribution day count is at 2. William O'Neill used to track market weakness with the help of distribution day count. So distribution day count is nothing but when market falls by more than 0.2% on higher on volumes higher than the previous day. So, I mean, market weakness at this moment is pretty much under control. And as you can see, the green line, that is the 21 DMA, is moving higher, and which is a good sign. And at this moment, that is the closest support for Nifty at this moment. If that gets breached and if the distribution day count gets increased, maybe from around 4 or 5 or maybe higher, then we have to downgrade the market to from confirmed uptrend to uptrend under pressure. Till that point, that does not happen. We are able to maintain the supports and even move higher, and distribution day count continue to remain in control. We will be in confirmed uptrend only. Let's talk about key news. Consigners would approved a proposal for enter into agreement to sell its land parcel at Lower Parel, Mumbai to Aethon developers for 726 crores. SJVN gets 100 megawatts solar plant order from Gujarat Urja Vikas Nigam. The company will execute the 100 megawatt solar project order at 550 crores. So, the big one, the Adani Energy gets LOI for acquisition of SPV Halwar Transmission from PFC Consulting. Halwar Transmission is a special purpose vehicle set up to execute 7 gigawatts of renewable energy from Khavda Renewable Energy Park. Company will invest 3,000 crores to build, own, and operate, that is BOT, and maintain its 301 kilometer transmission project. Satin Credit Care ICRA upgraded rating of long-term credit facilities to A from A minus, and outlook continues to remain stable. VPRPL received a letter of award from Government of Uttarakhand for 2 projects worth rupees 899 crores. The company will develop water supply system with 18 years of operation and maintenance, O&M, and in Halwani and Kotwar, Uttarakhand. Credo Brands Marketing, RBZ Jewelers, and Happy Forgings are expected to get listed today. So, talking about the global market update, as uh, we are in the mid of the end of the year festive season, post Christmas, pre New Year. So markets are expected to remain slightly muted and sometimes volatile as well. So US markets closed, all three US indices closed higher, but slightly on a muted note. As you can see, Dow Jones closed higher by 0.4%, S&P 500 by 0.4%, and Nasdaq by 0.5%. Asian markets, apart from Nikkei, the two markets are trading lower, as you can see. Nikkei is trading higher by 1.1%, Kospi is trading lower by 0.3%, and Shanghai is trading lower by 0.2%. Gift Nifty is indicating a positive opening of around 70-80 points at this moment. Yesterday's close was around 21,000. 440, 450 levels, and similarly you can see the last trade for Gift Nifty was around 21,550 levels, so indicating a slightly gap up opening at this moment. Let's talk about the chart of the day. The chart of the day for us is Apar Industries. As you can see, all the ratings have been holding very well for the stock. EPS strength of 97 is very good, price strength of 89, and even the buyer demand. Uh, the last few quarter results for the stock have been exceptionally well. Similarly, an ROE of 29% is extremely, extremely strong. From the last base, you can see a good uptrend, a good breakout happening, which is a good sign. And even during this base, you can see no major signs of uh, distribution. As you can see, whenever the stock was falling, it was falling on lower volumes. And recently, the stock has started to show signs of accumulation as well. And the stock is still 6% to pivot. So it still has some run up to do. It's a stage 3 base at this moment, stage 3 cup with handle base. The handle is slightly getting elongated, but in the last few sessions, the stock is getting some momentum. So when this going forward, you need to look if the stock is able to break out and is able to break out on above average volumes or not. Because all the parameters, even the I factor, that is the institutional holding has been increasing very good quarter on quarter, which is a good sign. So if the stock breaks out on above average volumes and stays in the ideal buy zone, it can be a very good stock to watch out for. So thank you, and that's it from my side. And stay tuned to the space of Rebel with William O'Neill India. Also, we have a special discount on the 24-month subscription of MarketSmith India, that is an additional 10% discount.